Okay, for the three things that were still remaining for the part one, I'm in the coach login area from the front end. And when I first log in, this is the text that you can see. I don't know where it came from. I have no idea, but it looks like it's part of some template or something. Anyway, it's on every page. If you just click through everywhere, it's okay. It's not on that page. I swear I saw it on some other pages. There we go. It's on this page right here. Anyway, so we have to get rid of that because it doesn't make any sense whatsoever, and people will get confused when they log in. But then the second problem was the pagination, well, the next buttons when you go through the actual training. It's separate like this where you can actually go through each topic. Let me go to the returning coach so that we can look at the one that was just done. But people really aren't going to access these individually. They're really just going to complete it all in one sitting. So this menu was more useful before when we used to have the, it was longer. It was a bigger training, the first one. This one, I'm pretty sure they're just going to go straight through and not access each topic individually. So if they go from the beginning, the introduction, they're going to be, okay, this is the problem with the images too. It's not that they're pixelated. You know, this is supposed to be going all the way across the screen. It's that there's a setting somewhere in the back end that is forcing all photos into a perfect square. So it's really messing up all of the images. It's doing it everywhere in the new coach training and the returning coach training. So that was the image problem that needed to be fixed. And then if we go to the next button, they're going to cruise through the different things this way. And when they get to the next module, that please wait, that was actually making sure that nobody clicked yet because we had in place before the tracking so it could tell if this section was complete or not. But we're going to remove that tracking. I don't know if it's been removed yet, but we do need to remove it, unless it's not causing any harm, although it is maybe messing up the way you transition to the next module. But they have to click here to get to the next module. This next button doesn't work. So, but it's confusing. If somebody didn't know that, they would sit here and try to click and they'd be confused, not knowing how to get to the next module. There's no real obvious way to get back out. They'd have to go back to here and then go back to the other menu. So what we had before, and I don't know why it's different now, but we had this, when it came to this screen, when we're going to the next module, we removed this next button and we had, then they would go, oh, there's no next button. They can click on the next module. It's more logical to click there. So we either have to have two things, either remove this next button so they click on next module, or we make that not a link and we make the next button work. Either way, but one of those has to be changed so that's not confusing for people. So I'll go to the next module, and it does that at the end of every section. There's another photo, so you can see it's not pixelation problem, it's being squished, so that's not even readable. And oh, that's interesting. Oh, it's a square already. That's probably why it looks okay. All right. I think that's pretty much the gist of it. You know what? Module 2, the Spirit League, we don't even know what training we're in technically. So another thing to fix too would be while we're in the training, that tab needs to be defaulted to an orange so that we know exactly where we're at. Because I thought I was in the returning coach, but this looks like a slide from the first module, actually. Let me go to here. Okay, new coach, returning coach. So the tab is staying defaulted orange there. But when I go into here, okay, that's interesting because now I am in the right spot. But I click on new course. Okay, it looks like it's working now. That was really weird. Okay. I'll check that again because I swear I was in returning coach. But it would be great, like right now we're in returning coach to make sure that this is still orange so we know for sure that we're in the right spot or what spot we're in. Okay, that was it. Thanks.